Hello guys, welcome back to another FreeCAD tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how you can design your model using the supplier's 3D model so the bipart will fit precisely with your design. This is just a simple design, but this technique can be applied to more complex designing. Let's get started. I will pick empty template. Switch to Model tab so we can see the browser. I'm going to import the downloader step file first and then start modeling the fabrication part. Go to File, Import, and double-click to open the downloaded step file. These parts are downloaded from McMaster-Carr website. I will leave the link to this website, including the part numbers, in the description. Let me import the second part. Now these parts are placed at the origin. I'm going to arrange them as how I would like to place them on my design. Select this part and right-click and select Transform. You can move, rotate and scale the part with this tool. Click and drag this vertical arrow. And click and drag this handle to rotate. Release it at 180 degrees. And click OK. Now I'm going to move the other part away from the origin. Do the same. Move it up a bit. Now I'm going to model a block in the middle of these two parts. To do that, click on this tool to create new body. And click on this Create Sketch tool to create profile sketch for the block. Click on this plane. As you can see, the center of the downloaded parts are located along XY plane. So I will make the center of the block to match with them. Pick Centered Rectangle tool from this drop-down list and start sketching at the origin. Type 500 mm for the length and press Enter. And 30 mm for the width. Press Enter. Close the window. Make sure the sketch is selected. Click on Pad command to give thickness. Click on Symmetric to Plane option so the center of the block will be at XY plane. Type 50 for the length and press Enter. Now switch to Draft Workbench. Select this part and click on Move tool. Click anywhere and then move the mouse up and press and hold Shift key on your keyboard. This will restrict the movement along Y-axis. Once it's moved along straight line, release both Shift key and the mouse. Type 90 and press Enter. Now the part is moved up by 90 mm. Now I will move the other part. Click on the Move tool. And turn on both Snap Center and Snap Midpoint options. Select the part. Make sure the cursor looks like this. And then click and move to here. And click anywhere close to middle of this edge. Now the part is located precisely at the end of the block. Also, center of all the parts are on XY plane. I'm going to turn up the grid and change the display style to wireframe, so it will be easy to see the edges of the parts in the viewport. Click on the part and click on Move tool. Click again once most of the threads are inside the block. Switch back to Shaded Display Mode. Switch to Part Design Workbench. Select this face and click on Create Sketch command. Click on Circle command and draw a circle at the origin. Type 30 mm for the diameter. Close the window. Click on Pad command. Type 50 mm for the length. Click OK. Let me add roundness to this block edges. Click on Fillet command. Select these side faces. Type 5 for the radius and click OK. Now I'm going to move and duplicate the other part. Select the part, right click and select Transform. Type 50 for the distance. Click and drag this arrow to move 50 mm. Click OK. Switch to Draft Workbench. Select the part again. Select Array from this drop-down list. I'm going to duplicate 3 more parts along X direction. So change this to 4. Make one for both Y and Z. Type 125 for intervals. Click OK. I am going to export this array as individual solids so I can do Boolean operation. Select this array and click on this downgrade command. Now they are separated into 4 solids. I'm going to move these 2 solids so the model will be symmetrical. Now I am going to subtract these downloaded parts from the block. Switch to Part Workbench. Select the body, then Control-select the top part. Select Cutout for objects from this drop-down list. Now I will do the same for other parts one by one. Select the body and the part and click on Cutout for objects. Repeat the same for each cutouts. Now the part is designed precisely to fit the supplier's buy part. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe as I will be uploading more videos soon.